Hi everybody, my name's Sam Swift, otherwise known as Death by Deco on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how to do another really simple turban tutorial, this time with a style which doesn't require you to have any hair in any particular style. It can be something that you can do straight out of bed. So in order to have my hair out of my face and out of the way and make it easier to do a turban, I've just split it down the middle, plaited it and then pinned the plaits up, so you can see here. Plaits pinned out the way, and that means we haven't got any hair to worry about, and it makes doing the tutorial really simple. So what we're going to need, again, I like to use jersey fabric, so if you saw the last one I was advocating jersey fabric, and we're going to use the same today. So you'll see this is split in half, so it's about 1 metre long, I would say, so you can get offcuts from the market. Find the centre point, and we're going to place this over our head like so, and then just turn the front over so you've got a nice neat line at the front, and just cover the hair, gather underneath, and then you're going to wrap the material and cross it over at the back, and then you can pull some of this fabric forward, tuck any bits of loose hair out of the way like this. So this is what it will look like from behind. Okay, so once you're happy with the position, what you want to do with either side is just bring the fabric up, but as you do so, just arrange it in such a way that you get some nice pleats and folds, a bit of texture in your fabric here, like so, on that side. And then if you can do it one-handed, same on the other side here, like so. And then what we're going to do once they're up here is just cross them over and tie it in a knot, like so. Okay, so we'll have much shorter ends than we would have had on the cat ear tutorial. So then what we're going to do is take one end, just start twisting that fabric around, and then we're simply going to just tuck it under the fold that we've created, like so. And again on the other side, just fold that fabric round so you get some nice shaping, and then just tuck those ends in like so, and you can even lift it up a little bit so you can see more of those twists. And that's it. And then what we want to do with this excess fabric is just use our fingers to tuck it down underneath the folds that we created, so we get a nice tight turban at the back. So if I turn around, it should look nice and neat from the front and the back. And what we can do here is just accessorise it if we want. If you want to add flowers, or even add a brooch on there if you wanted to, just give a little bit of extra dimension. So that's it, super easy, super simple, couple of minutes and you're out the door from waking up. So I hope that's useful. Do let me know, and stay tuned for another tutorial soon.